While in the air, Cebu Pacific presents a wide array of savory light snacks and drinks for everyone's taste. We also offer pre-ordered hot meals served with Thai jasmine rice. These will surely fill you up on your flight. Don't forget to pre-order at CebuPacificAir.com to get OMG juice drink. You can also get Cebu branded souvenirs like caps, bags, and some useful items only available in Cebu Pacific. Check out Cebu Pacific food items and merchandise in Smile, our in-flight magazine. Duty-free shopping continues with Cebu Pacific's in-flight duty-free service. We offer a wide range of world-class products for you to choose from, saving you from long lines at airports, and you get extra savings too. We also have a pre-order program that makes in-flight shopping more convenient. Or call our reservations hotline, 702-0888 or 230-8888.
No problem. Can happen. No problem. Consider.
In addition, ladies do not leave your customers unattended.